For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today we're doing an editing tutorial. If you like the little clip at the start and my boy Axel in it, his Instagram is gonna be in the description below. Yeah, so we're just gonna hop into an editing tutorial. Actually, it's like not really a tutorial, it's more just like a walkthrough. Since I'm editing them already, I was like, might as well just like have the boys come and watch, or the girls, you know, who knows who's watching. But we'll have everybody come through and y'all watch with me. So let's hop into it. All right, so first thing I like to do on my pictures, I like to go here to the tone curve. We're gonna bring this up, pull this down. Oh, also I want to say this. I don't expect every video to be for like everybody to watch. So like, I mean, I watch YouTube too. I don't watch every single video that a single YouTuber puts out. So like, if this isn't your type of video, go ahead, click off. But hope y'all like the look of it to start. See y'all. All right, everybody that's here still. Hope y'all, y'all finna like this video. I mean, it's gonna be real helpful. You finna be like, dang, that's how you made that art. And I'm like, yeah. All right, yeah. So I'm gonna bring that up. I'm gonna bring this up, and then so now that we have like the shadows look like this and stuff like that, I'm gonna come back up to here, bring some of the shadows back, and then we want to be able to see what's going on like right here in this area. So we just to the left. And then now we have this, and we have a lot of the picture back. So now that we've already gone from this to this, kind of like filled in the color and gave it already my own look. I like to go back down to here, change the colors, because real colors are lame. And then we try to get the skin back correct with this slider. But his skin's like really orange already, so. Yeah, I like doing that because it just makes colors more vibrant and like come alive more. I'm seeing these are like clipping a little bit. Clipping is basically like when there's too much information over here, or like the highlights are too bright. So we can go over here to whites, can pull them down a little bit, or just all the way, yeah, all the way. And then let's pull this a little bit to the left to take some of that orange out the skin. But we don't want it to be like moody. I don't want like moody colors. Alright, so then we're gonna bring this up. I think there's just too much highlight, so we're gonna pull this back down. Yeah, right there. Then we're gonna bring the texture up so everything just looks mad hyper realistic. We're gonna crop it for Instagram. Put this shoe in the middle, but not. Alrighty, honestly, here are all my presets on the side. Like, I made all of these, so I don't feel bad when I use them. Sometimes I like to go through here to make sure, I didn't have a cooler idea myself already. I do like that, but I like the one we did already. I feel that's a pretty good picture. Let's keep moving. Next picture we got right here. Helmet, cleats in the back. First thing we want to do, crop it for Instagram. I already know exactly how I'm going to do this picture. I'm going to put that right there. We're going to come right here, raise these up, bring these all the way back down. I really don't raise it that much up. It's so weird. I don't really like doing these kind of videos because it's like, I know everybody, it's not meant for everybody to see. It's meant for just like photographers and people like that. So let's keep going. Usually I like to throw the highlights away, but I kind of like them in this picture. We're gonna go back and do the same thing with the colors, not all the way the same amount, because I like the colors in this picture how they are a little bit. We're gonna keep it normal. So here's how much we've gotten so far. So I'm gonna know that I'm gonna want to make this helmet really sharp. And then we're gonna go to effects, make a vignette. So vignette will just make the outsides darker, so it'll bring more focus to the helmet. And then we're gonna come over here to the shadows, bring the shadows up a little bit, add a whole lot of clarity, turn up the contrast a little bit, and yeah, boom. Might even raise it all the way, and then lower some blacks. That looks cold. You know it does, because that is fire. We're gonna copy this because we're lazy. And we're gonna put it on this picture too, because we already know it's gonna go like Bob. Did it do it? Oh, okay. Alright, so we're off to a really good start. Probably bring some shadows back because the picture's definitely dark. Let's add a crop to that boy for Instagram. Ooh. The essentials. Oh, also want to say, I go to Leander. I'm not Vista Ridge, but you know, be like that. These next couple edits, I'm probably just gonna check the same edit on, and then fix up a little bit. Like this one, I did the same thing, but it's too dark, so I can raise the exposure a little bit to try to fix it like that. But I think the way we're gonna do this, we're gonna pull up right here, and then bring the blacks, and then we're gonna give a little bit of color. I'm gonna be real, I'm not liking this picture, but I wanna help the boy out. Alright, so we got that. Let's do this up real quick. So I shot this one with on-camera flash, with the 18 to 135. Shot it at, the settings are the stats are right here. I did some on-camera flash though. So first thing we're gonna do, comment for Instagram. Move into the middle, gotta get that good composition. So already we have a pretty good picture. I have a lot of my own presets I already think are gonna look really good on this. Okay, I like that. Yeah. So this looks like way too dark, so I know I already gotta fix that. I'm gonna come here, bring these down a little bit. Come over here, pull the shadows up, pull the blacks up. Add more contrast. We might want to take some of the vignette away because it's like very dark over here, but at the same time, if we came up to we do that, we'll fix. I'm messing with that. People blowing my phone up. Trying to get this money real quick. This really the process though. People don't believe me. I really just be having fun with it like that. Bro, it'd be so live if I could just do all my editing with y'all and y'all could just like watch and we could just like chill. That's live. I don't usually like editing with people watching because it's kind of uncomfortable. It's like, I don't know, it's like, cause it's like it's like my art. So it's like, I don't like being judged on my art, but at the same time, I don't care. But at the same time, if you're watching the video and just like following along with me, you obviously care a little bit about me. So You ain't here to judge or anything like that. Now, this picture might look extra dumb right now, but we got this magical brush where we can paint anywhere and just do this. That looks so dumb right now. Hold on. Why is his eyes doing that, bro? What the heck? No, I don't want that at all. I want his eyes. His eyes are getting darker. You can still see it. I don't even want to change it. It looks funny. We're gonna do that. I think I went too dark. It wouldn't be that dark in real life. I'm in like focus mode. I'm so sorry. I'm not talking or anything like that. It's kind of hard. I'm messing with it though. I want to add some red because I'm feeling like some whole lot of red going on in this. Yo! Before and after. Give some fade back to the, get some information back to the picture. I like this. This edit go a little hard. I low-key mess with that. This video low-key might get long. I'm gonna check it on this picture just to see what happens. Yeah, that's fire. I like what the sky doing. A lot. I was glad you. So it's, bro. So yeah, I think that's all the pictures. I didn't edit this one. If you're trying to see these pictures, they'll be up on my Instagram account. You can search Wayne the Great and it'll be there. Hope y'all enjoy this video. And if you did go, like I said, it's not for everybody, but if you're going to go watch, I hope that you have fun with me on that day, and bye.